It's hard to pick just one productivity strategy because there are so many good ones. But if I was forced to pick the most important one, it would be to define what's most important to you. Yes, it's so tempting to want to do it all now, but that just leads to diluting our efforts. We end up spending too much time in where was I mode, and we carry the frustration of too many incomplete tasks. Instead, I suggest you corral all of those tasks, deadlines, goals, commitments into one list. Then group those tasks according to your 3 core priorities, which could be service your clients, lead your team, launch that new product. Depends on your role, of course. Then the secret is to rank your tasks under each of those lists and work through the list in that order. Give this a go. You'll be amazed at how it changes how you work. And for more information, check out my latest book, Workday Warrior.